Wyoming. The very name evokes images of vast open spaces, rugged mountains, and an untamed spirit that whispers on the wind. This is a place where the land and sky seem to stretch on forever, creating a sense of boundless freedom and endless possibilities. It is a land where the sky stretches endlessly above, a canvas painted with hues of blue and gold. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical, casting a golden glow over the plains and mountains, transforming the landscape into a living masterpiece. Here, nature reigns supreme, a powerful force that shapes the land and the lives of all who call it home. The wildlife thrives in this untouched environment, from the majestic bison roaming the plains to the elusive wolves that prowl the forests. To step foot in Wyoming is to enter a world untouched, a sanctuary for the soul. The pristine nature offers a peaceful retreat from the chaos of modern life, inviting you to slow down and reconnect with the earth. Wyoming's beauty is not confined to a single landscape or season. Each season brings its own unique charm, from the vibrant colors of autumn to the serene, snow-covered winters, the blooming wildflowers of spring and the lush greenery of summer. It reveals itself in countless forms, each more breathtaking than the last. The diverse landscapes range from towering mountains to rolling plains, dense forests to arid deserts, each offering a new perspective on the state's natural beauty. From the towering peaks of the Grand Tetons to the rolling plains of the prairie, Wyoming's varied terrain provides a stunning contrast that captivates the eye and stirs the soul. Every corner of this state holds a unique allure. Hidden gems are scattered throughout, waiting to be discovered by those willing to venture off the beaten path. Wyoming's magic lies in its ability to transport you, to make you feel utterly insignificant in the face of such grandeur, yet simultaneously connected to something far greater than yourself. The vastness of the landscape puts life into perspective, reminding you of the beauty and power of the natural world, yet simultaneously connected to something far greater than yourself. It is a place where the boundaries between the self and nature blur, creating a transcendent experience that stays with you long after you've left. It is a place where you can lose yourself in the wilderness and find yourself at the same time. The immersive experience of Wyoming's wild landscapes offers a journey of self-discovery where the beauty of nature mirrors the beauty within. Wyoming is a land of dramatic contrasts, where towering mountain ranges rise abruptly from the high plains. This state is a canvas painted with nature's most dramatic strokes, where the rugged beauty of the mountains meets the serene expanses of the plains. The Absaroka Mountains, with their jagged peaks and pristine forests, stand as sentinels guarding the eastern edge of Yellowstone National Park. These mountains are not just a sight to behold, but a sanctuary for wildlife, offering a haven for countless species. Travel east, and the landscape transforms into a sea of rolling grasslands, the prairie stretching as far as the eye can see. This vast expanse is a testament to the open spaces that define the American West, where the horizon seems to go on forever. This is the domain of the bison, where herds once roamed in the millions, their thundering hooves shaking the very earth. Today these majestic creatures still roam, a living link to the past and a symbol of the wild heart of America. Venture south and you'll encounter the Red Desert, a surreal landscape of crimson canyons, wind-sculpted rock formations, and an eerie silence that speaks volumes. This desert is a place of stark beauty and solitude, where the forces of erosion have crafted a masterpiece over millennia. Wyoming's diverse landscapes offer a glimpse into the raw power of nature, a testament to the forces that have shaped this land over millennia. From the towering peaks to the rolling plains and the haunting deserts, each region tells a story of geological wonder and natural splendor. Life finds a way to flourish in even the harshest of environments, and Wyoming's flora is a testament to this resilience. In the spring, the meadows erupt in a riot of color, as wildflowers carpet the ground in hues of purple, yellow, and blue. Indian paintbrush, with its fiery red blooms, stands out against the green backdrop, while the delicate petals of the bluebell sway gently in the breeze. The air is filled with the sweet scent of wildflowers, attracting bees and butterflies that dance among the blossoms. In the higher elevations, lodgepole pines stand tall and proud, their needles whispering secrets to the wind. These hardy trees have weathered countless storms, their gnarled branches a testament to their enduring strength. Wyoming is home to an astonishing array of wildlife, from the majestic elk to the elusive gray wolf. In Yellowstone National Park, herds of bison roam freely, their massive heads held high as they graze in the meadows. Grizzly bears, symbols of wilderness and power, patrol their territories, while black bears forage for berries in the forests. Pronghorn antelope, the fastest land mammals in North America, race across the plains, their hooves barely touching the ground. And in the sky above, bald eagles soar effortlessly, their keen eyes scanning the landscape for prey. To witness these creatures in their natural habitat is a privilege, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Guardians of the land, preserving Wyoming's legacy. The beauty of Wyoming's natural heritage is a gift, one that comes with a responsibility to protect and preserve it for generations to come. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring that the delicate balance of this ecosystem remains intact. Organizations and individuals are working tirelessly to protect wildlife habitats, reduce pollution, and promote sustainable practices. By supporting these efforts, we can all play a role in safeguarding Wyoming's natural treasures. Section 6. Finding Solace. The healing embrace of nature. There is a peace to be found in the wilderness, a stillness that speaks to the soul. The gentle rustling of leaves, the soft murmur of a stream, and the distant call of a bird create a symphony of tranquility that is hard to find in the hustle and bustle of daily life. In Wyoming, where the air is clear and the stars shine brightly at night, it is easy to feel a sense of connection to something larger than oneself. The vast open landscapes and the majestic mountains provide a perfect backdrop for introspection and reflection. Whether you are hiking through a mountain meadow surrounded by vibrant wildflowers and the scent of pine, casting a line in a pristine river, feeling the cool water rush past your feet, or simply gazing up at the vast expanse of the night sky, marveling at the Milky Way and countless stars that seem to stretch into infinity. Wyoming's natural beauty has a way of calming the mind and restoring the spirit. The serene landscapes, with their rolling hills and tranquil rivers, offer a sanctuary from the chaos of modern life. The worries and stresses of everyday life seem to melt away, replaced by a profound sense of peace and contentment, replaced by a sense of awe and wonder. The beauty of nature inspires a deep appreciation for the world around us and our place within it. It is a place where you can breathe deeply, reconnect with your inner self, and find clarity amidst the simplicity of the natural world, and find solace in the embrace of nature. Here in the heart of Wyoming, nature's healing touch is ever present, offering a refuge for the weary soul. Section 7. A call to explore Wyoming awaits. Wyoming is calling, inviting you to experience its untamed beauty firsthand. Lace up your hiking boots, pack your binoculars, and embark on an adventure that will stay with you long after you return home. Explore the geysers and hot springs of Yellowstone National Park, hike to Inspiration Point in Grand Teton National Park, or lose yourself in the solitude of the Wind River Range. Let the wind whisper stories of the past, and let the vastness of the landscape remind you of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Section 8. Respecting the wild, a shared responsibility. As you venture into Wyoming's wild spaces, it is essential to remember that you are a visitor in these creatures' home. Treat the land with respect, follow leave no trace principles, and keep a safe distance from wildlife. By being mindful of our impact, we can ensure that these wild places remain pristine for generations to come. Let us be responsible stewards of this land, protecting its beauty and preserving its wild spirit. Section 9. Wyoming, forever etched in memory. A journey through Wyoming is more than just a trip. It is an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. The memories of snow-capped peaks, vast prairies, and encounters with wildlife will forever be etched in your mind. You'll carry the peace and tranquility you found in nature's embrace, and the lessons learned from the land will continue to shape your perspective. Wyoming's wild beauty has a way of capturing the heart and inspiring the soul, leaving you forever changed by its magic.